The question says two elements X and Y have the following electronic configuration. Electronic configuration given here, X and Y. The expected compound formed by the combination of X and Y will be expressed as. Which compound is possible? Okay. So you can see electronic configuration is given here. From here we can get the valence electron, and from the valence electron we can determine their charge. Okay, pay attention carefully. We have X element is there. This is the electronic configuration completely filled up to here. You can see 4s2 is there. 4s2 is there. Okay. In the outermost it has two electrons. Two valence electrons are there. Means two valence electron means it is a metal. Second group elements, two valence electrons. So they have tendency to lose how many electrons? Two electrons. So this X element will carry +2 charge, because loss of electron will result carrying +2 charge. Making sense? Okay. Next we have Y element. So you can see in the outermost we have 3s2 3p5 is there. Okay. We have 3s2 3p5. Outermost electrons. How many? 5 + 2 is equal to 7 are there. 7 valence electrons means this is halogen. 17 group. And halogens have tendency to gain how many electrons? 1 electrons. That's why they always show -1 charge. Okay. From the valence electrons we are able to determine whether they will carry +2 charge and -2 charge. How much charge from the valence electrons? Okay. 7 + 1 8. By gaining 1 electron its octet will be complete. That's why it will carry -1 charge. In this case, by losing 2 electrons its octet will be complete, because this is 3s2 3p6 is there. 3s2 3p6. We have 3s2 3p6 is there. 6 + 2 is equal to 8. So by losing 2 electrons its octet will be complete. It will be in the stable state. Similarly, by gaining 1 electron its octet will be complete. Then it is having -1 charge. So Y carries -1 charge. Okay, now we can balance the charge. So we can crisscross these numbers. 1 will come this side and 2 will go this side. 1 will come this side and 2 will go this side. So we got X, Y2. From here we are getting X, Y2 is there. This is the compound is formed. X, Y2. X +2 charge, Y -1 charge. Crisscross. 1 will come this side and 2 will go this side. Okay. Option A is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.